Unlocking the secret to passive wealth, the $10,000 monthly dream. In today's digital world, earning $10,000 per month in passive income isn't just a dream. It's achievable with the right mindset, tools, and strategies. It's not about quick riches, but building something sustainable that offers freedom, security, and the lifestyle you desire. Automation, your key to freedom. Imagine earning while you sleep. Automation makes that possible. By leveraging technology, you can move from the daily grind to a thriving, scalable business that works for you, not the other way around. The blueprint for a six-figure empire. 1. Define your niche and market. Focus is everything. Identify a specific group of people with a pressing problem or desire and position yourself as their go-to solution. Research their needs and create a clear picture of your ideal customer. 2. Create a scalable product or service. Develop something valuable and easy to scale, whether it's a digital course, software, or a premium consulting package. The goal is simple: build it once and sell it repeatedly. 3. Automate your business systems. Automation tools can handle the repetitive work for you, such as customer acquisition, sales processes, content creation and distribution, customer service. Payment processing programs like Zapier, IFTTT, and ActiveCampaign make these tasks seamless, leaving you free to focus on strategy and growth. 4. Leverage outsourcing. You don't have to do it all. Delegate tasks like content creation or customer support to freelancers or virtual assistants, freeing up your time for high-level decision-making. 5. Build a scalable sales funnel. Create a system that attracts and converts customers on autopilot. Use tools like SEO and content marketing, paid advertising, email marketing sequences, webinars, and videos. A well-constructed funnel ensures consistent income with minimal oversight. Why this blueprint works. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven method to transition from being overworked to creating a business that serves you. By working smarter, not harder, you'll harness technology and systems to build something truly impactful. Your guide, real-world experience. This roadmap was designed by entrepreneurs who've been where you are. It's based on real-life successes and lessons learned, making it practical and actionable. Taking the first step. 1. Recap the key strategies to build a sustainable, automated business. Define your niche and ideal market. Create a scalable product or service. Automate key processes. Outsource non-essential tasks. Scale with a strong marketing funnel. 2. Focus on freedom and scalability. The goal isn't just to earn more, it's to create a life of freedom. Automation and scalability are the engines that drive financial independence. 3. Connect with others. Join communities of like-minded entrepreneurs. Share your journey and learn from their experiences. Collaboration and learning are vital to long-term success. Your journey starts now. The path to $10,000 a month begins with the first step, defining your niche. From there, follow the blueprint systematically and watch your dream take shape. The tools and strategies are in your hands. Now it's time to make it happen.